Hello everyone, welcome to Brilbook. In this video, we will have a look at code revision process from CRM cells. We will cover the following topics in this video: creation of code and code line, revision of code record, approval for revised code, and then we will see the status of code after revision. For creation of code and code line, we need to log into Brilbook. I have logged in with Cells user. For creation of code and code line, navigate to the menu category, Sales, expand the Cells menu group and click on Code menu. Here I am going to create a new code record with the help of this Create button. As you can see here, our code create page has been opened and basic, additional and billing address section appeared on the code's create page. Now I'm going to add the details in required field to create a code record. Here I'm going to add the code name as code for washer. Then select account from the existing account list and select contact. Add valid phone number and then select billing address. Then navigate to the additional section. Add the expiry date for this code. Select the requested delivery date and decision due date for this code record. You can add here a term template. Here I'm going to add the code term template. Then moving forward to the pricing tab and add the price list from premium or standard. Here I'm going to select the premium price list. You can add the discounts and taxes over here in other section. Also, you can select the payment terms and additional details in details section. Then click on Save button to save this code record. As you can see here, our code record has been created and items, order, associated terms and file tabs appeared on the details tab of code. Now I'm going to create a new code line record for this code. For this, navigate to the items tab and click on the create button. Open this form with the help of full form. Also here I'm going to add the required details to create a code line record. Here I'm going to select the product category as washer, then select the product. You can add here line bomb and production route as per your requirement. Then navigate to the pricing tab and add required quantity for this code line and select tax group. You can select or add the discount type for this code line and then click on Save and Close button. It will help us to save this code line record and we will redirect to the code's detail page. As you can see here, our code record has been successfully created with the code line as finger spring washer with 10 quantity. Now navigate to the associated terms. Here you can view the related terms of the code. You can add or amend these terms as per your requirement. Now, our next step is to revise the code record. Before the revision of this code record, first we need to submit this code. As you can see here, our status of code has been changed to submitted and the draft and revise button appeared on the code's detail page. Click on the revise button to revise this code record. After click on the revise button, the new code record has been created with the draft status. You can change the details in basic, additional and billing address section, and also you can change the details added in the pricing section. Here I'm going to change the email address, and then change the expiry date for this code, and then click on save button to save this code record. Here in this code record, my amendments have been successfully saved, and you can see on the parent build the old code record, which is parent of this record, has been successfully mapped. Now I'm going to add a new code line record in the items tab with the help of create button. Here I'm going to add the category as washer, select the product as conical washer, and add the quantity for this code line. Then select the tax group and click on the save and close button. Here our code record has been successfully revised. Now our next step is to approve for this revised code. For approval of this code, navigate to the approval button, click on submit. Then for approval, navigate to the approval and click on the approve button. Select the actual close date and click on submit button. As you can see here, our status of this revised code has been marked as approved. Now our next step is to check the parent code status. For that, navigate to the parents field and open this record. As you can see here, our parent code record has been successfully marked as revised. So in code revision process, we have seen the creation of code and code line, then submit and approval of code, then revision of code record, then we have seen the approval for revised code and status of code after revision. Thank you.